merong parusa. I-explain ko later ano ba yung gagawin sa mga matatalo. So boys, together for our mechanics. So are you ready? Yung malakas, are you ready? Yes, mamatalo ba tayo? Are you ready? Yes, mga confident yung team ni Mommy kay Daddy medyo kulang pa na konti. Pero okay lang yan. Our first category reason. Minimum to maximum. Excuse me, baka matama si Alexa. Minimum to maximum. Arrange your group according to your first category, according to your birth month. From January to December. Go! Birth month. January to December. 5, 4, 3, okay, nauna yung boys. Nauna sana yung girls eh, kaso biglang tumayo. Okay, consistent yung boys na nakaupo. Ibig sabihin sa kanila yung butos. Pero pag nagkamali sila pag-arrange, meron kayong chance. So, ang sabi ko, birth month from January to December. Very good, February. March. October. November. December! But sorry, boys, practice lang yun. May chance ko lang first. Again, pag nakaupo, baka lang pagsisigaw, happy birthday, Alexa, wala nang tatayo. Dahil pag ito yung isa sa inyo, automatic yung puntos mapupunta sa kalaban. First category, minimum to maximum, arrange your group according to the first letter. First letter of your family name. Go! 1 points. Next category, minimum to maximum. Arrange your group according to your size of your shoes. Go! Sit down! Girls or boys? Girls. Size of your shoes. 36. pogi, mas pogi, pinaka-pogi,